welcome to another video from Phace Installations. We've got this lovely Mini Cooper, it's the Countryman. We will be installing a reversing camera onto the back of this. So let's show you now. So you can see the grab handle under the Mini logo. That's where you'd put the grab handle. Well, that's where the grab handle is. Got a bit of damage on it already. And we're going to put the camera to the right hand side of where you open the boot, and then we're going to integrate it into the factory display. So if you have this system in your Mini, so if we just switch it on, if we stick the vehicle into reverse, let's get this started up and switch it into reverse. So you've just got the optical parking sensor overlay, no camera, nothing. So you've just got your sensors that will beep and will show you the guidelines of where the objects are on the sensors. So we're going to put a camera onto that screen and keep that optical parking sensor overlay as well. So it'll look like the ultimate upgrade and keep it all factory looking. Anyway, let's get on. Get this installed, come back after the break and we'll show you how good this is going to look. Okay, welcome back. Let's show you around this vehicle. So as you can see now, this very discreet rear camera, as I said, to the right hand side of where you open the boot. It's going to get a very good view of everything behind it. Plus, it's obviously got the parking sensors all round, front and rear. So let's jump in and show you what it looks like. Very high definition camera. Will look absolutely great on this screen. Minis aren't mini anymore. They're actually quite a big car now. So I can see why the customer wanted a reverse camera, and it just that bit nicer if you're used to having a rear camera on your vehicle anyway. So start it up, put it into reverse. So now you've got your parking sensor overlay on the left hand side that was taking up the full screen, and now you can see the camera. And if we reverse back, so slowly go back, you can also see it puts coloured blocks to let you know where the object is, that it can sense an object. Very, very cool. You can see on the left hand side all the objects there as well. And also when you turn the steering wheel, the guidelines will move to let you know where it thinks the car is going to go when you reverse. We'll show you that. So all we've got to do is turn the steering wheel and you can see the guidelines are moving, and that will tell you the direction of where your car is going to go. Great for going into parking bays. And then if you put it into drive, the camera will stay on till you get to about 10 miles an hour and will then disappear. And if you press park, the camera will switch off and go back to normal. Absolutely fantastic upgrade for any Mini owner. Hope you like what we do. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.